आपका जो विजन है, आपने पब्लिकली बोला हुआ है कि यार इंडिया को एक दिन क्वालिफाई कराना है फीफा वर्ल्ड कप, एंड आपने टारगेट 2034 का बोला हुआ है ना? कैसे करोगे? आज 2026 है, 140 रैंकिंग है, कैसे वो क्या स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैसे क्वालिफाई करेगी इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप के लिए?
तो ये एक तो होता ना कि मेरा एम है, सो एम विदाउट अ प्लान इज अ विश, वो विश होती है मेरी. एम तब होता है इफ यू हैव अकाउंटेबल एंड ट्रैकेबल एंड टिकेबल गोल्स लीडिंग टू के नेक्स्ट जो तुमने सांस लेनी है वो कैसी होनी चाहिए इफ यू वांट टू रीच द वर्ल्ड कप इन 2034. सो आई हैव इन 2020 डिवोटेड, सी पहले तो था जब आते हो नए फुटबॉल में 2015 में कि यार वी वांट टू प्रूव टू इंडिया दैट वी आर द बेस्ट. सो सारे टाइटल जीत लिए विद इन 3 years विद गॉड्स ग्रेस. We won. We are still the only Indian club, not only to win every title there is in Indian football, but also senior and junior, but Minerva,
yeah.
But also to hold them at the same time. Matlab senior, under 13, 15, 18, national champions, same time. And that time the I-League used to be the top league, where we beat Mohun Bagan, East Bengal in front of 80,000 people in Calcutta. In 1 week we beat them both. We won the I-League. We brought the I-League back to Punjab after 21 years, GST ke baad, the first club. So then titles सारे जीत लिए. Then we thought कि नहीं यार, it's bigger than title. It's about, because see, when you win a title, only your fans, club's fans, or the parents of the kids, or maybe your parents, my parents, or coaches or staff gets happy. But when India wins, na 1.5 billion people get happy. So तू क्या करना? You want to make your puny 2,000, 5,000 or 500 people happy, or do you want to make 1.5 billion people happy? So the choice was very simple. Why? Because when you enter my academy, the first thing you see is the 100-foot tall pole with a 60 by 30-foot flag, Indian national flag. Because Minerva Academy, Colonel Deol, my grandfather formed it established it in 1955. Before sports, which is my love and passion, football, we've always been armed forces. So 1 in 4 in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force is from Minerva Academy. 40,000 officers in 1955. My biggest achievement is not national, international titles and all the other things you see. That's not my title. My biggest achievement is 4,000 of my students are right now currently in the armed forces as officers serving. My students. That is my biggest achievement. ये सारा कुछ तो बाकी बातें हैं. ये चीजें passion में आ जाता है. This is my love. My country is my love. So that's where the patriotism and the utter contempt for Goras comes in from. Okay, because see, I'll tell you, 50,000 people ruled over India for 400 years. They could have only done that over crores of people by making them believe that they're somehow better than us. It was ingrained in us. That is why for the first 40 years of our independence, nothing happened in our country, because our grandparents were still ingrained with that. The same people, that we are not as good as them, so why compete with them? Then it was our parents who were still ingrained. Why? Because they were brought up by the people who were ingrained with that. Still the belief was almost, not almost, चल अपने बच्चे को बनाएंगे. हमारी generation और हमारी अगली generation, we say, who the hell are you? We're going to come eat you in your own place. So my aim was, I'm going to go dominate Europe in their game, in their land. That is like Sweden or Denmark or Finland saying कि हम इंडिया में जाके उनकी बेस्ट टीम्स को क्रिकेट में हराएंगे. ये किया मैंने, और ये बोल के किया. जाने से पहले मैंने एम लगाया था कि ये मैं करूंगा. So ticketifiable goals थे कि when I went to under 12, we have to go to MENA Cup, which is the biggest competition in Asia. No Indian teams won that. We went and won that. We beat Barcelona 5-0. Nobody talked about it in India.
क्यों नहीं कर रहे बात?
ये तो आप उनसे बात करो. Then because maybe के 12 साल के हैं, चलो 11 साल, under 12 11 साल के हैं, ये तुक्का लग गया, maybe whatever. Then we went next year to the World Youth Cup in Sweden. We beat Brazil, and this team is the one जिसका इस साल Kaka's son was playing there, and we beat them in the final, and they were champions for the last 3 years there. No Indian team in 50 years had won that. Then people little bit started talking about us. Then it was this year. So I said, ये बात नहीं बनी. अभी भी people are not taking notice. जाने से पहले हमने बोला, how do I know? Google किया world's 5 biggest youth tournaments. So to top 4 आए was in Sweden, Finland, Denmark and Norway. Ab the only thing was that you know, I selecting one of them or two of them is the same as four of them because हम तो Indians हैं भाई, हम देखते हैं कि पैसे कितने लगेंगे ये बताओ भाई साहब. तो टिकट थी सबसे महंगी और पास में थे and they made it possible that people can actually play from one tournament to the other. And this was probably the second time they've done it in a way that it's been going on for 50 years, all these tournaments. They're the biggest. Biggest the matlab hai, sir, you have 30,000 players from 120 countries participating there. 30,000 players, boys and girls from age groups of under 11 to under 18. You go to Sweden, you see 200 fields in one, matlab 100 fields here, 100 fields here. So when I'm walking, so I'll send you photos, you can put it while we're talking. When you're walking, it takes me 1 hour, 30 minutes to walk from one side to the other side when I just walk on the side of the fields. 220 fields मेरे पूरे country में नहीं है. वहाँ पे एक city of Sweden में Gothenburg, which is not even the biggest city, उसमें है. So why won't they do well? They'll do very well. Now, when we went there, I knew that how do you get better with someone? I can't compete with them. I have to compete with myself, but do it on a daily basis. So like people say that you जो motivation होती है आपकी, you know, you're very good. Motivation is only for some time, bhai. Motivation doesn't work. When you have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning every single day, when you slept only 2 hours, motivation doesn't work. Discipline works. That is where the armed forces works in. We are the special forces manual, worked on my under 14 boys. जो बाहर मैं नहीं कर सकता था because probably वो मुझे कह देते कि तू torture कर रहा है बच्चों को. But it was not torture, it was just basically making them so resilient to exercise and getting them so fit, so extremely fit that the levels of their yo-yo test जो आजकल आप क्रिकेट में कहते हो कि you know 17 and 18 is good. My boys were an average of 20.4, which is unbelievable. So that is why they went in there. It was not a fluke. I predicted I'm going to win all 4. I wasn't able to do that. I won 3. One final I lost. और पहला final था I lost by because the first time these boys had ever played in front of 5,000 people in a huge stadium and they just didn't play. उसके बाद nothing, and that was the 4th biggest tournament. Then we went to the biggest, 2nd and 3rd, we won them all. And we won them with world records. 50 years and no team had beaten those teams with such a record.
Minerva FC winning.
Minerva Academy, not Delhi, Minerva Academy, Chandigarh Mohali. Minerva Academy. But Minerva Academy is a national academy like our Armed Forces Academy. So in my team, I have boys from Jharkhand. I have mostly boys from Manipur, but Punjab, and we've got from Haryana, we've got from Chhattisgarh, we've got even from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. So we've got a mix, and these boys were selected from all over India, 200 of them. They've been given scholarship by me, 100%, for 10 years. Khana, pina, rehna, education, everything taken care of. Because problem ये होती थी इंडिया में कि अगर तुम प्लेयर को स्पोर्ट्स हॉस्टल से निकाल दो तो वो गया, अनपढ़ है, या तो स्पोर्ट्स बनेगा या अनपढ़ है, लाइफ रूइंड है. यहाँ पे नहीं है. They'll be as good as any convent educated boy who passes out from like we did from our schools. Because see, what has happened, that means they've not lost out on anything in life. If they become a footballer, great. If they don't, still great. They are equal to anyone.
तो सर फिर ब्लूप्रिंट कैसे है? इंडिया कैसे क्वालिफाई करेगा?
Blueprint, so blueprint ये है कि I wish I could be, like you said, president. I would love to be president if I'm given the job of not attending meetings and actually doing football work. That is my forte. President banna, because 65, 70, when you have no other effort to put there on the field. Right now, my job is on the field because that's where I can make the maximum impact. Now, my job is to do what? To make so many players who are going to be playing in Europe right now that they'll have to select them. And when they select those boys, they will qualify. So see, we can't just automatically qualify for the World Cup unless our under 23 does well preceding batch in the Asian. They will not just do well unless when they are 19 they have done well. They will not do well until the 16s have done well when they were 16. So it's not a egg which came first, the murgi or the egg. It is damn well the grassroots development comes first, not the seniors. You can't have great seniors without having great juniors. So the aim is the under 16s to be in the top 4 in Asia. Who's done that? Uzbekistan. They won the under 23 and the under 19 and they've qualified for the World Cup. So it's not rocket science, bhai. And we don't have to compete. See, that's the point. To get to the World Cup, We don't have to compete with the world. We have to compete with Asians.
तो AFC जो चैंपियनशिप
Top 8 में आना है.
टॉप 8 में आना. आउट ऑफ हाउ मेनी पीपल प्ले?
32, 35.
32 में से. एंड लास्ट टाइम क्या है इंडिया का रैंक था?
अभी जब तक कल्याण चौबे नहीं आए थे हम 10वीं 11वीं में थे. When Igor Stimac was here, we were so close. We are on now 18th or maybe 20th. तो अगर हम 64 का भी वर्ल्ड कप हुआ तब भी नहीं क्वालिफाई करेंगे.
तो अब AFC कब है? मतलब जो 2034 का हुआ 2032 में होगा ना?
या सो 32 इसका मतलब 32 में तो AFC होगा ना. तो क्वालिफाई
अब करने
30 को क्वालिफाई करना पड़ेगा ना. तो इसका मतलब उनके लिए जो 23 वाली टीम है वो बहुत अच्छी होनी पड़ेगी 28 में ना.
28
इसका मतलब जो 21 वाली टीम है वो होनी पड़ेगी 26 में ना. इसका मतलब अभी 18-19 ईयर ओल्ड वाले जो हैं along with obviously the youngsters which I have 15-16s they have to be brought in.
तो सारे मिनर्वा FC के थोड़ा हो जाएंगे सर. और भी तो इंडिया के बंदे आने पड़ेंगे ना.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. कौन कर रहा है ट्रेनिंग उनकी? उनको कहाँ खिला रहे हैं आई लीग में जहाँ पे मैं 15-15 20-20 गोल मारता हूँ. इसीलिए मैंने अपनी सेकंड या थर्ड टीम खिलाता हूँ मैं अब नेशनल लीग्स में. Why? Because there's no point of beating somebody 20-30 goals because neither you are learning. I believe you learn much more from losses than you from victories. But you don't learn anything especially from beating anyone 20 or 30. That means there's no competition. So I rather take my boys out abroad and get them there. So who else is doing that? Reliance tried doing that right now. Look at the money they have. Reliance Foundation went to the same tournaments as us, like Meena Cup. Wahan pe they got thrashed. They went to, right now we've just won this cup called the Borneo Cup in Indonesia 2 months ago. They were there. We beat Aspire Academy while we were there, by the way. Aspire Academy is Qatar's royal family's best academy in the world. So see, what I want is, what I would want means, what I would think is my dream come true, is that there are just 10 centers all over India which have a residential facility for over 300 boys who are taken on only merit from all over India. And the dream can come true. You just need 10 centers with 300 people each.
कैसे बनेंगे सर?
मैंने जाके स्काउटिंग की है. मेरे जो लड़के 200 सेलेक्ट किए हैं मैंने, कितने लाख में से किए हैं? आपको क्या लगता है? वो 200 लड़के कितनी देर कितने लाखों में सेलेक्ट हुए हैं? जैसे कुरासाओ की पॉपुलेशन बताई थी 1,60,000 है. मैंने 200 लड़के सेलेक्ट किए हैं, बट वो भी जो एज ग्रुप है सिर्फ सेलेक्ट की है फ्रॉम द एजेस ऑफ 7 onwards to the ages of 16. I'm not even taken 17 age. So 7 to 16, 200 from 4.5 lakh, 4.5 lakh boys gave the trials.
Across
So,
India?
across India.
10 centers which you're talking about.
No, I have gone to 18 states.
18 states.
Each state I've gone to at least 10 districts, minimum.
These trials are to qualify for Minerva, your club.
Yes.
Your
Not
academy.
for my club, for my 100% scholarship program. Nobody gives scholarship 100% for kids who are at 7. They give scholarships to people who have to play in the I-League at 13, 14, 15. It's too late.
So, what I'm understanding, मेरे को फुटबॉल नहीं समझ आती, आपसे समझ रहा हूँ, and you know the kind of, because आप पब्लिकली बहुत चीज़ें बोल रहे हो, राइट? मेसी का जो हुआ कैलकाटा में, विल टॉक अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो, राइट? आपकी जो हेडलाइन आई कि यार 150 करोड़ मेरे को दे दो, मैं इंडिया को क्वालिफाई.
और बाय द वे ये मैंने अभी नहीं बोला था,
काफी देर से बोल
ये 6 महीने पहले बोला था. When I didn't even know Messi is going to come and I'm going to meet him. I said it when the Kerala government was going to spend 150 crores. वो तो कभी नहीं खर्च करने चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि वो टैक्स पेयर मनी है यार. तुमने अपने टैक्स पेयर्स पे कितना खर्च किया फुटबॉल पे? अपने टैक्स पेयर पे तुम 5 रुपए नहीं खर्च करते मेसी को बुलाने के लिए. टैक्स पेयर हमारा पैसा है वो, तुम उस पे खर्च कर रहे हो. हाउ डेयर यू? यहाँ पे why I was okay with this tour? Some rich guys called him. It's his money, man. And some rich people are watching him. It's their money, man. It's their wish. It's a capital economy. And if somebody wants to invite me and then give me an honor, I would love to go.
But you were there, ना? दिल्ली में.
If they want to call me and give me honor, I would love it.
आपको किस चीज़ का ऑनर मिला वहाँ पे?
Because we won. So we won the Norway Cup and the Gothia Cup World Youth Championship. तो हमने फाइनल में एक अर्जेंटीना की टीम को हराया था जो उनकी नेशनल चैंपियन थी 4-0.
Correct.
तो उनको पता था ये बात. So when we told them that they were given choices कि तुम ये कर सकते हो, उसमें सी है. So he specially said no, I would like to see these boys.
अच्छा, you were there in the center.
Yeah.
आपकी
And
center
then
में
can you believe I even talked? You can put that video. I was talking to him. So उसको समझ नहीं आ रही थी because he's Spanish, speaks Spanish. So I was talking to him and immediately Suarez intervened and he was trying to explain to him what I was saying. So I was saying, you played this tournament called MIG Cup in 2001 and 2003 for Barcelona you played, you were 11-12.
आप लोग भी जा रहे हो अगले साल
मैंने
क्या?
कहा you played. So he says, yeah, see. मैं कहा these boys are going to go play Mick Cup this year. Oh, Bruno, मतलब he said something like, साथ वाले ने बताया, Bruno, difficult, something, basically it's very difficult, very tough. So I said, okay. So, you know, people from like the Norway embassy, they are calling us, the Indian embassy in Norway, they have called us with my entire team to felicitate us. Because they said that the people in Norway have said that they've never seen a team play like this ever in the history of Norway Cup, which is going on for 50 years. They've had 1 million participants.
ये जो टीम आप लेके गए थे,
ये टीम लेके गया
ये कौन
था।
सी अंडर 14 है ना?
ये अंडर 15 थी,
Under 15,
B14 कहते हैं, B14 कहते हैं, सो
correct.
मतलब 14 के हैं वो, और वो अंडर 15 है. I'll give another example. वहाँ पे एक टीम आती है कॉल्ड मकाटी FC, जो 42 years से
कहाँ पे?
इन गोथिया वर्ल्ड
In
यूथ
Gothia,
कप,
okay.
तो स्वीडन में 42 years से आ रही है, फिलीपींस की टीम है. तो उसका पहले बाप लेके आता था, उसका बेटा जो ओनर है वो लेके आता, कहता कि मैं 42 years से me and my father are coming here. We've never seen a team play like this ever. I'll send you again, you can play the footages. We took interviews from the Goras there immediately after we beat them. What do you feel about this team?
Did you like our gameplay?
Yeah, I like very much. It's very fast and good.
After we beaten them 20-0, 15-0, 20-0, शक्लें बनी होती है, पर उनको बोलना पड़ता है. We've never seen a team like this. We've never seen a team like this. And I am not a genius. I have not done anything great. Anyone can do it. Because hard work is a bloody choice. Effort is a bloody choice. Discipline is a bloody choice. So success is a bloody choice. Simple. Doesn't depend on your caste, color, creed, how rich or poor you are. If somebody's got talent, doesn't matter you work harder than the talent. He works 4 hours, you work 8 hours. You'll beat the talent.
So मैं आपके जो समझाऊं, ब्लूप्रिंट समझाऊं, जो 2034 का गोल है आपका कि इंडिया को क्वालिफाई कराना है वर्ल्ड कप के ना, आप ये कह रहे हो कि यार जो मेरी एकेडमी है, जो मेरा FCA मिनर्वा, इसमें से मेरे को ना तगड़े 10 से 20 बंदे तगड़े बनाने हैं जो आज के दिन में लेट्स से कोई 8, 10, 12, 13 साल के आसपास है, इनको मेरे को इंग्लिश प्रीमियर लीग खिलाना है या जर्मन लीग, जैसे ये लोग हो गए जो
Exactly.
है ना,
Exactly.
इनको वहां खिलाना है जाके.
Yes.
इतना ट्रेन करना है इनको,
Yes.
इतनी ट्रेनिंग देनी है.
और खिलाना नहीं है, वो मैं नहीं खिला सकता. वो क्या होएगा कि वो 16 या 17 साल की उम्र में सिलेक्ट होंगे.
वो कैसे सिलेक्ट होंगे बच्चे?
वो जब मैं इन टूर्नामेंट्स में जाऊंगा,
ये जो
Mick Cup,
Mick Cup
Gothia
है.
Cup, all the scouts come and see.
वो
So who
देखते
are the
हैं.
people who played in these tournaments before? For example, ये तो मैंने मेसी, यमाल वगैरह बता दिया है. Mick Cup में तो इस बारी 49 players who are playing in the World Cup have played in the Mick Cup before. 9 of the 18 Spanish players have played in the Mick Cup before, जो स्पेन क्वालिफाई की है. So those people should go to the Mick Cup, MIC, Mediterranean International Cup
कहाँ होता है?
site.
This is in अपना-
Costa Brava, Spain.
Costa Brava, Spain.
This is in
अपना-
Costa Brava, Spain.
Costa Brava, Spain.
So, the point was that when you go there, you are so well prepared that you are able to take on the world. Now, I would say I was very well prepared for the last one, but right now we have no clue what is going to happen because right now by this time Indian leagues have finished. Now that means we will not be able to play in the Indian league because हमारी junior league ही नहीं शुरू हुई under 16 की.
तो प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो रही.
हाँ, तो हमारी कोई प्रैक्टिस नहीं, कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं. हम पिछली बार 5 बार अंडर 15 लीग हुई है, हम 5 बार फाइनल पहुंचे हैं, 4 टाइटल है हमारे. We have not had any training at all. I mean, training है, practice, but the game time नहीं है.
और ये this cup, Mick Cup is when?
In April.
April.
Now.
So okay. So again to that point कि so you're
So
saying
plan.
हाँ,
Plan क्या
मतलब
करना है
प्लान
इसका?
तो यही है ना कि वहां लेके जाना है.
So-
मान लो वहां से 2 बच्चे भी सिलेक्ट हो जाते हैं, किसी को बेन
Abramovich, Pirlo, Alan Shearer, Xabi Alonso, ये वो वाले मिक कप नहीं है, ये खेले हैं गोथिया कप, नॉर्वे कप, हालांड, ये वगैरह सारे नॉर्वे कप, हालांड, they've grown up playing those cups. Then from small academies they go on to big clubs, then they play something like the Mick Cup.
ठीक है.
From now these boys can see, suppose I'm just giving an example, we are playing against Liverpool or Manchester United. मतलब we means under 15s against the under 15s or 16s whatever, and हमारा एक लड़का does really well and he scores 3 against them. So why won't they take him in their academy when it's not going to cost them anything? There's no transfer fee. Under 16s you don't pay, under 18s you don't pay anything in Europe. मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा लॉस है, बिकॉज अगर मैं 18 साल से उसको यहाँ रोक लूंगा, मेरा 1 करोड़ का प्लेयर बिकेगा, गारंटीड. मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा लॉस है.
और
बट
उसका एक्सपोजर कम हो जाएगा.
बट उसका एक्सपोजर खत्म हो जाएगा प्लेयर.
हाँ,
यहाँ पे
और-
जाके बेंच पे बैठा देंगे उसको.
हाँ.
वो ले लेते हैं प्लेयर ISL वाले, बेंच पे बैठा देते हैं, 2 साल बेंच पे बैठा के रखते हैं. द प्लेयर फिनिशेस. Abroad at 16, Lamine Yamal used to get game time. Dauman is getting game time right now. At 15, he's playing for England. The youngest scorer ever in the AFC Champions League is my boy, Toiba Singh, who's now playing in the ISL. I played him at 15 in the Champions League. Seniors, he scored. Not because I was great, because someone played a 15-year-old, yaar. It's got... The football doesn't know your age. It's just your touch which matters in your things. That's what I'm saying. ये जो policies बनाई हुई around this game, that you need this to become a footballer, you need this inherent, you need talent, you need this. No, you don't. You don't need to be big. You can be very small. The best players in the world are very small. वो Indians can never be big. वो हमारा size नहीं है. मेसी का बड़ा size है यार. मैराडोना का बड़ा size था. ज़ाबी अलोंसो का बड़ा size है. ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस का बड़ा size है. किसी का साइज नहीं है. असली फुटबॉलर छोटे वाले होते हैं, लो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी, तेंदुलकर जैसे. एंड यस, इफ यू आर बिग, यू आर बिग. सो डू यू नीड टू हैव अ स्ट्राइकर टू इवन विन द वर्ल्ड कप? नो. मैन सिटी वन द प्रीमियर लीग विदाउट अ स्ट्राइकर by playing positional play. Their centre backs were 5'8". Pep Guardiola did that just by making sure that they're not physically fighting.